Hello and welcome back to another tutorial session on email marketing. This is where the campaign begins. So in this video, we will discuss what email marketing is, why to use email marketing, how to generate leads for email marketing, the tools which will benefit you in your email marketing which is popular in 2020 and 2021, what is A/B testing and why is it essential along with that, and how to draft your first email with a follow-up strategy in which I will share some templates which have the highest rate of conversions. Hello and welcome to this tutorial video of email marketing. This is where the campaign begins. So in this tutorial, you will able to know what is email marketing, why to use email marketing, what is the process of generating leads and create a lead machine to ultimately to whom we can send our emails, some amazing and popular email marketing tools in 2020 which has some great features, what is A/B testing and why it is important in email marketing, and ultimately how to draft your first email along with a follow-up strategy in which I'll be sharing you some live example of templates that are actually working extremely well in email marketing. So let's get started. So what exactly is email marketing? See, email marketing is a process of targeting your audience and customers through emails. It helps you boost conversions and revenue by providing subscribers and customers with valuable information to help and achieve your goals. So there are many ways which which is used in email marketing. It helps you to target the right audience. It helps you to boost conversions. It helps you to build relationships, through personalized engagement. It boosts your brand awareness. It keeps your company and your services top of mind for the moment when your prospects are ready to engage. It helps you to generate leads. So what exactly is the benefit of email marketing and why we should be using it? So there are around 3.8 billion users worldwide according to a new Forbes research, and email marketing has a 3800% more ROI than any other marketing. Through email marketing, two-thirds new purchases are done, and email marketing is 40x more effective than any other marketing, even if compared to Facebook and Twitter combined. So the first step in email marketing is to create a target audience, building your email list. So what is exactly this mean? This means to create your prospective customers. First step is to a lead magnet. Now what exactly is a lead magnet? As you can see in the diagram before, there is three lead magnets which can be described through email, socials or blog, which is connected to a landing page form which ultimately provide you some leads. So lead magnet is something awesome that gives you a free that give away something for free in exchange for an email address. So it doesn't have to cost you anything to create. Most lead magnets are digital materials. It can be a PDF, mp3, etc, etc. So some popular lead magnet examples are ebooks, a cheat sheet of tips or resources, some white papers or case studies. It can be a webinar, it can be a coupon, it can be some quizzes or a free consultation offer, etc, etc. Let me show you some example of lead magnets. So as you can see in this picture, there is a lead magnet in which users can get some ultimate opt-in form. Opt-in form is a form of lead magnet only. It's a new tool, and if a user want to download a checklist, they need to provide their email. Another example is this, where if you want to have a checklist of on-page SEO, you want to download some ebook or some PDF file, you need to provide your email in order to do that. Another example is that you want a free blog post that go viral and you want to know some hackings, so you need to provide your email and then you can get the access. And some another examples is this on Facebook or Twitter, which we probably see every day. These magnets are on some websites or some other ad campaign as well. So this is the way people generally get some subscribers, some emails on which they ultimately send email marketing campaigns. Another way of creating a target audience or building your email list is these. The first is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Basically, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a part of LinkedIn tool which is designed to help sales reps to extensively get and ultimately land more deals. Another way is to generate lead through ad campaigns through social media, one of the examples that I just showed you. Another way is to create blog. Blog is a great thing about using a blog is to post and promote an offer that you can tailor to the entire piece to the end goal. So if you offer an instructional video on, let's say, setting up Google Search Console, then you can write a blog post about how to select your marketing metrics, which would make your click to action button highly relevant and easy to click. Another way is referral market. Referral can be also called a word of mouth marketing. This marketing is useful for lead generation in a different way. That is, it gets your brand in front of more people, which in turn increase your chances of generating more leads. So whatever channel you use to generate leads, you'll want to, guide users to your landing page. As long as you have built a landing page that converts, the rest will handle itself. Another way is through social media. See, social media platform make it easy to guide your followers to take action from the swipe up option, say, let's say on Instagram stories to Facebook bio, and Twitter as well. So you can also promote your offering on social media posts, including a CTA call to action with your caption, let's say, learn more about social media or etc. etc. My next slide is about email marketing tool. So what exactly is a good email marketing tool and what exactly one should keep in mind while choosing an email marketing tool? A good email marketing tool should enable you to create highly engaging email with an, say, easy user interface, which is ideally drag and drop editor. You should be able to easily send bulk emails that are actually personalized and targeted with a lot of work. This is also known as marketing automation. Aside from that, your email marketing services make it easy to manage your contact list, segment user into groups, and track the performance of your email marketing campaign. See, most importantly, a good email service provider ensures that your email campaigns do not end up in spam folder. So having said that, let's take a look at some of the most popular email marketing service providers and how they stack up against each other. So the first tool is MailChimp. See, MailChimp is a leader in email marketing tool that everyone has probably heard of. Their free plan provides you with a basic email marketing feature such as email creation and scheduling. What makes this great email marketing tool is its smart recommendation feature, which provides you with a valuable audience insight to optimize your marketing effort. Design emails on the platform is easy using the content manager where you can store your images and files for easy access. And MailChimp also lets you automate your emails at crucial step of the buyer journey. Next tool is Woodpecker. Woodpecker is a very powerful email tracking tool as well as sending bulk emails. And Woodpecker automatically tracks your various email metrics, which is very important in email campaign. You need to track the open rate, the click-through rate of emails, how many emails were sent, how many emails were delivered, were there any spam emails. So you can manage your email campaign manually on Woodpecker. So this helps you identify which email template, subject lines, and links are giving you the best result. You can then tailor upcoming campaign messages accordingly to boost your conversion. Another tool is GetResponse. GetResponse is another very popular email marketing solution. It is extremely easy to use and simplify easy marketing for a small businesses. It comes up with some amazing marketing automation tool which allows you to create smart automated campaigns. With a drag and drop builder, you can easily create campaigns, segment contacts, and send any number of emails designed for a specific group. Another popular email marketing tool is HubSpot. HubSpot is a very amazing tool and my personal favorite tool. HubSpot probably is best known for their marketing automation platform. Recently launched a free email marketing tool that can support a lot of small businesses and transactional email. Whether you need to send kickback emails from lead offers, thank you emails after purchase, or if you want to just promote your current campaign, HubSpot email marketing free version can do that. One of the best part of the HubSpot free marketing tool is that it's easy to use. This tool feature has a handy drag and drop visual editor and it also comes equipped with ready to make templates to get you up and running immediately. Another amazing tool is Sendinblue. Sendinblue is a very strong competitor of MailChimp. It is a complete SMS and email marketing software for businesses. They are one of the fastest growing email marketing platform in Europe. It is extremely easy to use Sendinblue platform with excellent tools to create beautifully and highly engaging emails. Their simple drag and drop email editor is perfect for beginners with no experience in email marketing. Another tool is Constant Contact. Constant Contact helps you scroll through several hundred designer templates or custom design of your own. We can insert a wide assortment of extra features if you wish, document images, polls, links, surveys, video, etc. Images and text can also be imported directly into this editor tool. So let us move forward with another part which is called A/B testing. So in my next video, you will get to know what is A/B testing and why to use A/B testing. And ultimately, in my next video, you will get to know how to draft your first email and some amazing follow-up strategies. Stay tuned to know about what is A/B testing and why to use A/B testing, and also how to draft your first email and some remarkable follow-up strategies. If you found this video informative, please do like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content every day. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, and stay connected with Propel Guru.